Recently I was walking on the beach and I found this shotgun shell, an empty shotgun shell cartridge, and I'm gonna see if I can poke a hole through it with this 10-watt laser. I'm not sure if it's 10 watt or 1 watt, I forget the rating, I bought it ages ago. Anyway, ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was fast. That really quickly just shot a hole in the laser, in the shotgun shell. I'll shuffle it over a bit more. Whoa, straight through again. I'm going to see if I can cut the shotgun shell all the way, just in half. Look at it go. It's going. See if I can look at the damage. Whoa, look at that. I've nearly sawn all the way through. That is a complete cut through the shotgun shell. Look at that. Oh, almost a complete cut. There's a small bit that hasn't been burned yet. See if I can cut that last bit. That's about it. But I can just pry that apart all the way through. Well, that was satisfying. I'm going to see how long it takes to shoot a hole straight through. 1, 2, and done. 1, 2, done. That's really fast. The light splits up a lot after about this point, so it's not really dangerous in that regard. But I wouldn't want to look the beam directly in line of sight. That would be very detrimental to your vision. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day.